Hey everyone, it's Ian Monroe here, and I'm going to show you a little trick I forgot about a while back. I was shown by a friend of mine how to correct color casts literally in a click of a switch. So yeah, if you're having issues with color casts and you want a quick fix, then stay tuned.
I've got a raw file of my good friend Win up on the screen, and I'm just going to show you quite a cool trick to take away any color casts that come with opening up a sort of raw image. Okay, I forgot about this, and it literally is a 2-minute fix. So I've duplicated the layer, and I'm just going to head straight up to Image, Adjustments, Match Color. When you click on that, it throws up this dialog box, and there are a couple of options. One is luminance, color intensity, fade, and the other is neutralize. Now you've literally just got to check the neutralize box, and you see what it's done? It's taken away the color cast. If I click OK, there we go, that's applied it. Now, the before is a lot warmer than the after. There you go, there's before. The backdrop is actually sort of a black charcoal color, and by taking away the color cast you get more of that, and it does somewhat cool it down. If you think that it's too much, just literally go back up to Edit, Fade Match Color, and you can drop the opacity. There you go, let's just say to 70%, and click OK. So you've still got it. There's the before, there's the after, but that's not quite so harsh. Okay, so that is a quick fix on color casts.
It's quite a useful bit of kit, to be fair, and quite a quick fix. So if you like what you see and you want to see more content, then why not kung fu it, boom, subscribe to my YouTube channel and also to my website, where there'll be some freebies and regular updates. Until then, I'll catch you soon.